Arjun sat on the park bench, staring blankly at the cloudy sky. For months, his mind had been filled with noise, doubts, anger, and guilt. Every small failure echoed loudly inside him. He wasn't the same cheerful person he used to be. The laughter he once shared with friends now felt like a memory from another life. It all began when he lost his job. What was supposed to be a short break turned into endless days of overthinking. Every rejection email made him feel smaller. Slowly, he started avoiding people, believing that he had failed not just himself but everyone who believed in him. Negative energy surrounded him like a thick fog. One morning, as he sat scrolling through his phone, he came across an old photo, a smiling version of himself standing at a charity event. The memory hit him hard. That was a time when he used to help others, when he used to feel alive. Something deep inside whispered, maybe the way out is not by running from pain, but by changing what you focus on. That very afternoon, Arjun decided to go for a walk. He noticed how he had been living in the same space, breathing the same stale air of sadness. As he walked, he felt a light breeze touch his face. It didn't solve his problems, but it gave him a small moment of peace, a spark of something good. The next day, he wrote down 3 things he was grateful for: his health, his supportive sister, and the lessons life had taught him. It felt strange at first, but over time, gratitude became his morning ritual. Slowly, the fog began to lift. He started meditating, spending 10 quiet minutes every day observing his thoughts. The same mind that once pulled him down began to calm. He realized that thoughts are like passing clouds, they only stay if you hold on to them. To rebuild his confidence, Arjun volunteered at a local school, teaching kids basic computer skills. Their laughter and curiosity reminded him that joy could still exist in simple moments. Each time a child learned something new, he felt his inner light return. Weeks turned into months. The job he had been waiting for finally came, but by then, Arjun had already changed. He understood that peace doesn't come from external success, it grows from inner strength and acceptance. One evening, sitting again on the same park bench, he looked up at the sunset. The colors were brighter than he remembered. He smiled and whispered, "Darkness is not the end. It's just where light learns to shine." Moral of the story is: negative energy can't be fought with anger or fear. It fades when we fill our hearts with gratitude, kindness, and patience. Every small positive action, a walk, a thought, a smile, becomes a step toward the light.